Hello everyone and welcome to Cellopedia. It's been a very good year for this channel. We reached several milestones. 10,000 subscribers, more than 1 million views, actually almost 2 million by now. I recorded many new videos of cello etudes, short pieces and concertos. I want to thank you all. You make me feel that hours of practicing, recording and editing make a difference for you. And you are making a difference. Every time you watch a video, like it, subscribe, comment, share with your friends, or support this channel on Patreon. You make Cellopedia stronger. You allow me to share cello music with more people who otherwise might not have an access to a cello teacher. Thank you for all what you do, for sharing your love to cello with me and each other. I wish you all the best and see you very soon.